Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to change the Messenger notification sound on your iPhone. First, open the Messenger application on your iPhone. Next, tap on the menu tab located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Once you're in the menu, click on the Settings option. Now, scroll down until you find Notifications and Sounds and tap on it. You'll see an option that says Text Tone or Notification Sounds. Tap into that. Here, you can choose your desired notification sound. For example, I'm going to select the blip sound. You might hear a preview of the sound when you select it. Once you've chosen your notification sound, just go back, and you can start using Messenger as you normally would. And that's it. It's that easy to change your Messenger notification sound. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tips and tricks.